Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given, which is dibromobenzene, orthodibromobenzen, metadibromobenzen and paradibromobenzen. We have to know how you can differentiate it from NMR. Here the answer lies in the NMR signal. The number of NMR signal depends on the symmetry present in the compound. If you look at the orthoisomer, where only two protons are there, so you have only two signals. If you look at the metaisomer, the mirror plane come in between bromine through carbon, so it has three signals A, B, C. If you look at the third one, which is para, it is very symmetrical one. It has two mirror plane inside, so what really happens is only one signal. So you can differentiate dibromobenzene from number of signal. Here you have to know the fact that more will be the symmetry, lesser will be the number of signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.